Big news for AI video creators. Kling 3.0 is officially live. And this is not just another version update or a minor improvement. This release genuinely feels like a major step forward for AI video creation. Over the past year, we've seen AI video tools improve at an incredible speed. Every few months, something new shows up that looks sharper, more realistic, or more visually impressive than before. But Kling 3.0 feels different. This launch doesn't just improve visuals or resolution, it changes how AI understands video creation itself. It feels less like an experimental tool and more like a system that understands storytelling. In this video, I want to break down what Kling 3.0 really is, why this launch matters so much, and why creators across the AI video space are paying serious attention to it. So first, let's talk about what Kling 3.0 actually is. Kling 3.0 is a next-generation AI video model that's now officially available on the Higgsfield platform. It's built to take inputs like scripts, images, visual references, and even audio, and transform them into fully structured cinematic video sequences. And when I say structured, I don't just mean better-looking clips or higher-quality visuals. I mean videos that understand how storytelling works. Kling 3.0 is designed to understand how scenes should begin and end, how shots should transition naturally, how motion should feel consistent across frames, and how a full video should flow from start to finish. Most AI video tools today still feel very clip-based. They generate impressive moments, but those moments don't always connect into a meaningful story. Kling 3.0 is designed to think in sequences, not just individual clips. That shift alone makes this release extremely important. AI video tools have existed for a while now, but they often come with the same recurring problems. You might generate a shot that looks incredible at first glance, but then the motion feels slightly unnatural. Camera movement doesn't feel intentional. Scenes don't transition smoothly. Characters or subjects change between shots. As a creator, this breaks immersion. Instead of focusing on storytelling or creative ideas, you end up spending time fixing problems, regenerating clips, or lowering your expectations. That's where Kling 3.0 is trying to move past the current limitations. From what's being shown, the model seems built around cinematic logic, how scenes should connect, how pacing affects emotion, and how a video should feel like a complete experience. That's what makes this update meaningful. It's not about flashy demos or isolated clips. It's about producing usable, cohesive results. This is where Kling 3.0 really separates itself from previous AI video models. The focus isn't only on realism or resolution, it's about control, consistency, and creative intent. Kling 3.0 is designed to understand scene structure and sequencing, subject and character consistency across shots, camera movement and perspective, visual rhythm and pacing over time. For creators, this changes the entire experience. Instead of fighting the model to keep things consistent, the model works with your creative direction. That means fewer regenerations, less trial and error, and more time spent refining ideas and storytelling. For filmmakers, content creators, marketers, and storytellers, this is huge. Because AI video finally starts to feel practical, not experimental. That's why many people are already calling Kling 3.0 one of the strongest AI video models available right now. So why should creators actually care about this launch? Because Kling 3.0 lowers the barrier to cinematic quality video creation. Whether you're making YouTube videos, social media content, advertisements, trailers, or visual storytelling projects, it allows you to move faster without sacrificing quality. Instead of focusing on heavy production setups, expensive equipment, or large teams, creators can focus more on ideas, scripts, and creative direction. This doesn't replace creativity or filmmaking skills. It amplifies them. And that's when AI becomes genuinely useful, when it supports creative vision instead of limiting it. Now, the most important part of this launch, Kling 3.0 is officially live right now on the Higgsfield website. This is not a preview, a beta, or a limited time demo. It's fully launched and available directly from the Higgsfield platform with unlimited access. Anyone interested can visit the website, explore Kling 3.0, and see what this next generation of AI video looks like in action. Because this launch is getting so much attention, it's completely normal to see queues during video generation. That's expected when a major AI release goes live. Higgsfield also provides official media assets, so creators can still explore and showcase Kling 3.0 even during peak demand. The key takeaway is simple. Kling 3.0 is live, active, and accessible. Kling 3.0 isn't just about what AI video can do today. It's a signal of where AI video is heading next. More structure, more cinematic quality, and more creative control for creators. If this is the direction AI video continues to move in, we're entering a very exciting era for content creation and filmmaking. Kling 3.0 is officially live, and this truly feels like just the beginning.